Some of you might be wondering what happened to the channel, no updates, but this is why. Here's the Volvo, and as you can see, it's up here, and we got the diff cover off there, and that's because I blew apart the diff. More specifically, the spider gears. I tried to do a little dump clutch burnout from a dead stop. It worked the first time, beautiful, bouncing off the limiter and whatnot. Wah, bah, 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 you know, good turbo noises and shit. Oh, that's me up there. And I did it a second time for the video, and I blew that shit apart. I'll put the video in right. We're back. All right, so there you get to see it, the miserable fail of me trying to do a burnout, and the Spidey gears didn't want it. So this didn't have LSD before, so it was one tire fire. I don't know what the option is now. I mean, I could buy with the Eaton True Track, which would be pretty skookum for those of you that follow Ave. But we're still trying to figure that out. Otherwise, the car runs fine, you know? Everything's all good with that. Maybe we need more boost, finish the exhaust maybe, but we really gotta get this rear end sorted out. And here's the Fairmont. I'm sure all of you remember that. Look at it, fucking dilapidated. And it still has the goodies inside, right? In there, there's a LS motor. There she is. Trying to figure out what to do with this. I don't know. I might take it all out and swap it into a 99 plus Mustang, a new Edge, because it's literally all bolted, right? It all bolts in, and I'll have a much better chassis. At least one that's not rusted through. And well, there's me again, missing interior parts and plastic fucking windows, and missing the gas tank, and drives like complete ass. Look at this. So I could do that. It'll be a fairly quick, simple swap. It'd probably take less time to reassemble this because I got all the parts still. But as for what we're gonna do, I think we might do eBay twins, right? Everybody's using fancy turbos. Let's do eBay twins, the little ones. Like what that has, just two. So that's all, that's a little update. You know, we got engines on engines and engines, and it's all scrap. Maybe someone should come here and scrap it. You know, the little guys with the pickup trucks or some shit. But that's where this is, that's where that is. And then, I don't think I've shown you guys. Go for a little walk over here. All right. This is the beautiful driveway. I don't think I showed you guys my Corvette. But I bought this a while ago. That bitch is bone stock. Now, it's got an exhaust. There she is. It's already all paid off and shit. I've had it for a minute. Once I got my job, that's the first thing I bought. She's pretty, she does the trick. Ideally she's got like 1,000,000 miles by now. She got the Billy Boat exhaust, came with it, and that's it. Maybe a drop-in filter, but I haven't messed with it too much. She's just there to look pretty. Let's see if we can give you some sounds. Alright. Put aluminum radiator too, because my old one cracked. There you have it, kids. Subscribe and check back later.